Hello friends, we are talking here about exempted income, section 10 of the IT Act 1961. So let us talk about section 10, 15A, lease rent of an aircraft. Lease rent of an aircraft or an aircraft engine paid to a foreign government or to a foreign enterprise by an Indian company engaged in the business of operation of aircraft is not taxable in the hands of such foreign government or non-resident concern. If such payment is in pursuance of an agreement approved by the central government made before April 1st, 1997 or after March 31st, 1999 but before April 1st, 2007. If such an agreement is entered into during April 1st, 1997 and March 31st, 1999 or after March 31st, 2007, then the exemption under section 1015A is not available. So 1015A is available only for a short period specified in that act only. However, in such a case, if tax on such payment is borne by the payer, in other cases, if such a tax is borne by the payer, then the tax borne by the payer is exempt in the hands of payee under section 10(6)BB, provided an agreement is approved by the central government. Now, section 10(16) on scholarship received for education. Any scholarship given by the government, university, educational board, education trust, etc. for education costs would be exempt in the hands of the student. The exemption would be allowed for the full amount of scholarship received by the student, irrespective of the actual cost of education. Moreover, the cost of education would not only cover the tuition fees, but it would also cover the incidental expenses which are incurred in availing education. Now section 10(17) on allowances paid to MP, MLA or MLC. Any amount paid for the specified allowances to members of parliaments, members of legislative assembly of states or members of legislative committees of the states would be exempt in the hands of such members. The allowances cover daily allowances received by the MP, MLC or MLA, any other allowance received by the MP under the provisions of the Member of Parliament Constituency Allowance Rules 1986. Any type of constituency allowance received by the Member of States Legislatures. These are all exempt under section 1017. Now 1017A on awards instituted by the Government of India. Any payment received in pursuance of following, whether paid in cash or kind, is exempt from tax. Any award instituted in the public interest by the central government or state government or by any other body approved by the central government in this behalf. Any reward by the central government or any state government for such purpose as may be approved by the central government in this behalf in the public interest. Now section 1018 on pension paid to gallantry award winners. Pension received by an individual who was employee of the central government or state government and who has been awarded Paramveer Chakra or Mahavir Chakra or Veer Chakra or any other notified gallantry award is exempt from tax. So pension received is exempt from tax if that individual has been awarded awards by the government. And also family pension received by any member of such individual is also exempt. Thank you.